If you've ever opened Chrome and wondered where all your saved bookmarks went, or how to make them appear right under the address bar. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will explain how to show the bookmarks bar. First, open your Google Chrome browser. You may see the bookmarks bar on the new tab page, but when you click on a bookmark, such as MSN, it opens the web page and the bookmarks bar disappears. To keep the bookmarks bar always visible, even when you open a web page, press Ctrl+Shift+B on your keyboard. Now you'll see the bookmarks below the address bar, also known as the Omnibox in Google Chrome. To hide it, press the same keyboard shortcut again, Ctrl+Shift+B. You can also hide or show the bookmarks bar from the three-dot menu. Click the three vertical dots, go to Bookmarks and Lists, and then select Hide Bookmarks Bar. If you want to show it, click the same option again. Bonus: Proper Menu Bar. Google Chrome doesn't have a traditional menu bar. Everything is located under the three vertical dots icon. However, if you install the Proper Menu Bar Chrome extension, you can bring back a classic-style menu bar and access options like showing your bookmarks more easily. Here are the steps. Click on the three vertical dots, select Extensions, and then choose Visit the Chrome Web Store. When the Chrome Web Store opens, search for Proper Menu Bar in the search box. Next, click the blue Add to Chrome button to install the extension in your browser. A dialog will appear. Click the Add Extension button. Chrome will then download and install the extension in your browser. When the installation is finished, you'll see a black bar on the current web page, the classic menu bar. Go to Bookmarks and hover over the submenu, View Bookmarks. A permission dialog will appear asking you to allow access. Click Allow. Now, when you open the Bookmarks menu, you'll see your bookmarks listed there. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.